Do you ever feel like no matter how much you exercise or how much protein you eat, your legs just don't get stronger as you age? What if I told you that there's a simple $1 grain that can help seniors, even at 75, build stronger legs, and it's 500 times more effective than whey protein? That's right, the very protein powders that everyone swears by might not even come close to what this little grain can do for your muscle health, leg strength, and overall vitality. Today I'm going to reveal what this grain is, why it works better than whey, and exactly how you can use it to see noticeable improvements in strength, balance, and mobility. Most people overlook it because it's cheap and unassuming, but it could be the single most powerful addition to your diet after 60. If you've been struggling to keep your legs strong or worried about losing independence, you need to watch this entire video. By the end, you'll know exactly what to eat, how to prepare it, and why this one change can make your legs feel decades younger. Now, before we dive into the grain itself, let's first understand why leg strength declines with age. After 60, most people naturally start losing muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. Your muscles shrink, your strength drops, and even daily activities like climbing stairs, standing from a chair, or carrying groceries can become more challenging. It's not just about appearance. Weaker legs increase your risk of falls, fractures, and reduced independence. Many seniors think lifting weights or doing resistance exercise is enough. And while exercise is vital, it only works when your muscles have the right fuel. And because magnesium pulls the water inside the cell. But here's the shocking truth. Not all proteins are created equal. Whey protein, which you see in gyms and health stores everywhere, is often praised as the ultimate muscle builder. It's high in essential amino acids, particularly leucine, which stimulates muscle growth. That research shows that after the age of 70, whey protein isn't absorbed as efficiently. Seniors need a protein source that is not only rich in amino acids but also highly digestible and bioavailable, something that your digestive system can use quickly without stressing your kidneys or stomach. That's why Versatile and Whey to Drink comes in, and why it can outperform expensive whey powders by hundreds of times in terms of real-world muscle building effects for older adults. So what is this miracle grain? It's quinoa. Yes. Quinoa, the tiny ancient seed that's been cultivated for thousands of years in South America. Don't let its size fool you. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. That alone makes it special. Most plant-based proteins are incomplete, lacking 1 or more amino acids, which limits their effectiveness. But quinoa is different. It's not only high in protein, but it also contains lysine, methionine, and isoleucine, key amino acids for repairing and growing muscle tissue. For seniors, this is a game changer. Let's break down why quinoa is so much better than whey for older adults. First, it's gentle on the digestive system. Many seniors experience bloating, gas, or quinoa, on the other hand, is easily digested, naturally gluten-free and rich in fiber, which helps your gut absorb nutrients efficiently. Second, quinoa contains additional nutrients that support muscle function: magnesium, iron, manganese, phosphorus, and B vitamins. Magnesium is especially important because it helps muscles contract and relax properly, which improves strength and reduces cramps. Third, quinoa has antioxidants that fight inflammation, which is crucial because chronic inflammation accelerates muscle breakdown as we age. So while whey focuses narrowly on protein content, quinoa provides a holistic package: protein, minerals, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds, all in one tiny grain. Now, let's talk about exactly how much quinoa you need to see these benefits. Studies suggest that seniors need at least 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily to maintain or build muscle. For someone weighing 70 kilograms, that's roughly 85 to 105 grams of protein per day. That may sound like a lot, but here's the beauty. Just 100 grams of cooked quinoa contains around 4 grams of high-quality protein, And because it's combined with other daily meals, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, you can easily reach your daily target without overloading your body with concentrated powders. One practical approach is to include quinoa in at least one meal per day, replacing refined carbs like white rice or pasta. Over time, this simple substitution can dramatically improve muscle protein synthesis, which is the process your body uses to repair and build muscle. You might be wondering, is quinoa alone enough to build strong legs at 75? Not quite. Nutrition and exercise go hand in hand, but the type of exercise doesn't have to be extreme. In fact, many seniors benefit most from simple targeted leg exercises that improve strength, balance, and mobility. Squats, wall sits, step-ups, seated leg extensions, and calf raises are all excellent. The key is to combine these exercises with a protein-rich diet like one that includes quinoa, so your muscles have the fuel they need to respond to activity. For example, doing a set of chair squats after a quinoa-based meal can maximize muscle protein synthesis in the quadriceps and glutes, which are the most important muscles for walking, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. Let me give you a practical example of how to use quinoa for maximum benefit. Start your day with a breakfast that includes quinoa porridge. Cook 50 grams of quinoa porridge. Cook 50 grams of quinoa in water or milk. Add a handful of nuts, seeds, and berries, and you've got a complete protein meal packed with antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. For lunch, you can prepare a quinoa salad with colourful vegetables, chickpeas, and a drizzle of olive oil. For dinner, replace white rice with quinoa in stir-fries or soups. The key is consistency. Daily intake ensures your muscles are constantly supplied with the amino acids they need to maintain strength. It's also important to prepare quinoa properly. Rinse it thoroughly before cooking to remove saponins, which are natural compounds that can make quinoa taste bitter. Then cook it in water or broth for 15 minutes until fluffy. Quinoa is versatile. You can toast it for a nutty flavour, cook it with spices, or blend it into smoothies. The more enjoyable you make it, the more likely you are to eat it consistently, which is what really matters for long-term leg strength. Another reason quinoa works so well for seniors is its effect on inflammation and recovery. As we age, our bodies recover more slowly from exercise. That's partly due to oxidative stress and chronic low-grade inflammation, which can break down muscle tissue faster than it rebuilds. Quinoa contains flavonoids like quercetin and kaempferol, which have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption can reduce markers of inflammation, improve recovery after exercise, and even help with joint health, making it easier to maintain an active lifestyle without pain or discomfort. Let's also discuss the misconception about calories. Many seniors fear gaining weight from eating grains. The truth is, quinoa is not only protein-rich but also has a low glycemic index, meaning it releases sugar slowly into the bloodstream. This keeps energy levels stable, reduces cravings, and supports muscle maintenance without causing unwanted fat gain. You can eat quinoa daily without worrying about it sabotaging your weight or health goals. Now, for those who want an extra boost, combining quinoa with a small amount of dairy, eggs, or legumes can create an even more potent protein profile. For instance, a quinoa and lentil salad, or quinoa, with a poached egg not only tastes delicious, but ensures your body has every essential amino acid it needs for muscle repair. And remember, timing matters. Eating protein within an hour after exercise can maximize muscle gains, so a post-workout quinoa meal is ideal. Hydration also plays a critical role. Muscles are 75% water, and adequate hydration improves nutrient delivery and muscle function. Seniors often forget this, but pairing your quinoa meals with plenty of water or herbal teas ensures your body can utilize the protein efficiently. Some seniors also benefit from adding a pinch of salt or mineral-rich broth to quinoa meals, especially if they're exercising, because electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are essential for proper muscle contraction. You might ask, can this really work at 75 or older? Absolutely. Numerous studies show that older adults can gain muscle and strength well into their 70s and 80s, as long as they combine protein-rich diets with consistent resistance exercise. The difference is that their protein must be high quality, easily absorbed, and paired with supportive nutrients, all of which quinoa delivers in one simple, affordable package. You don't need exotic powders or expensive supplements. A bowl of quinoa a day, combined with basic leg exercises, can transform your mobility, balance, and independence. Let's touch briefly on balance and functional strength. Strong legs are not just about appearance, they're about preventing falls and maintaining independence. Quinoa-fed muscles respond better to exercise, which means improved leg strength, better coordination, and more stability. Seniors who consistently eat quinoa and engage in simple exercises often report being able to walk longer distances, climb stairs without effort, and even resume hobbies they thought they had lost the ability to enjoy. This is real-world practical improvement, not just theory. Some viewers may worry about taste or monotony. Quinoa is surprisingly versatile. You can cook it like rice, turn it into porridge, bake it into muffins, or even make savory dishes like quinoa chili or stuffed peppers. The more variety you incorporate, the easier it is to stick with. Consistency, remember, is what drives results. In addition to muscles, quinoa supports bone health. It contains magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, which are crucial for maintaining bone density. Strong bones and strong muscles together significantly reduce the risk of fractures, a major concern for seniors. So by eating quinoa regularly, you're not just building leg strength, you're protecting your skeletal system and enhancing overall longevity. Finally, I want to emphasize mindset. Many seniors believe it's too late to improve leg strength or muscle mass. That's simply not true. Your body retains the ability to adapt and grow muscle at any age, provided you give it the right fuel and stimuli. Quinoa is that fuel, affordable, accessible, and highly effective. Combined with regular, safe exercise, it empowers seniors to regain strength, mobility, and confidence, often within weeks. To recap, the $1 grain I've been talking about is quinoa. It's a complete protein, highly digestible, anti-inflammatory, packed with essential nutrients, and far more effective than whey protein for older adults. By incorporating it into your daily meals, pairing it with leg-focused exercises, staying hydrated, and enjoying it in various forms, you can build stronger legs, improve balance, and maintain independence, even at 75 or older. Don't underestimate the power of this tiny seed. It's simple, natural, and backed by science. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next. Your legs, your strength, and your independence are worth it. Start today and watch the transformation unfold.